If you know what this is, then you probably saw the title. If you still don't know what that is, just like me, because I don't know what's actually in this box. So if you've been following the channel, slowly turning into a Google Stadia channel, you know that I've been testing out different games on Stadia. So I bought Cyberpunk 2077, and we know how popular Cyberpunk is. When you bought Cyberpunk on Google Stadia, they'd send you a free controller and a Chromecast. If it's not the Google controller, then this video is over. We're gonna use a pen to open this. Don't try this at home. You might damage your package. I need to invest in some knives. I got a screwdriver and a hair. Throw that on the floor. As soon as you open up the package, you get, is this even in? As soon as you open up the package, this is what you're greeted with. Take a look inside. Take out the plastic carton and you're greeted with your nice white box. Cool, so we can recycle this along with this as well. And we have our dirty Stadia box because it's really dirty. Check that out. Now we're gonna have to stab it with a pen. So here we have our Google Stadia Premier Edition. This came with the Cyberpunk deal and I think it's a great deal. Usually these retail at what, $99? So let's open it up. I wanna get a nice close-up of it while I'm opening it, but I probably won't be able to. Oh, this feels really nice. Look at it. Wow. Does that have that? Ew, kind of smells weird. It's fine. We're not here to smell things. It's gonna fall out, but I'm trying to do it cool. Check that out. Check out that Google Stadia controller. Look at it. Oh, don't fall. This thing is so nice. Oh, mine already came stained. It's like a black stain on top of the Y. It's fine, Google. So it comes in this, just like that. You open it up, boom, first thing you see. That's sweet. Now if we open this up, that's out. So it has a USB to C. Comes with the charger. You open this up, and that. And then you got your documents. And then the bottom of the case. It has this, the charger. If I can get it out like this. I'm trying to get this out. Okay, so we'll talk about the Chromecast first. Oh, cool, so it just HDMI cable. Peel that off. You got your Google Chromecast here. And then we have the charger that didn't want to pop out of there we go. And we got our charger, big brick right here, and ooh, it has a little Velcro here strap. That does it for our box. I have held a Xbox controller, so I know that they feel really nice. This doesn't feel as nice as an Xbox controller, but I'll test out the Chromecast probably in another video. I don't know if anybody really cares about the Chromecast. Well, this is cool. I was wrapping everything up. So this charger also comes with an Ethernet cable connector. So you can connect your internet into this charger while it powers your Chromecast. So you get those fast and stable connections. It's pretty cool. All right, so that does it for the unboxing part of this video. I'll just put a little bit of gameplay just to see how it works, and then I'll actually do a whole other separate video of me actually playing with it. I'm just gonna test this out real quick with the Chromebook. I know it's probably, if you don't know what's going on with the Chromebook, you haven't watched my other videos, and you shouldn't go back and watch them. Look how nice they pair together. White with your little Chromebook over here on the side. I need to get a standing table. because I'm slouching, right? Okay, so I had my internet. What am I talking about? I had my tablet monitoring the thing. That nobody cares. Nobody cares. Okay, and like most of you recommended to use the 5G connection instead of the one that I had. So this is very smooth so far. Okay, just as I suspected. You can't really play with this Chromebook. That's not saying that you can't play with any Chromebook. This specific model is out of here. These robots. Okay, let's not start a fight right now. But yeah, this plays really smooth. I do like it. This looks actually really nice. I'm not sure what they updated here on Stadia or no. I'm gonna do some B-roll footage though. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Or you can go. It's fine, you can go too. I did order a Google Pixel 2 XL and a special surprise with that as well. So if you want to see how that performs, I'm going to test out Xbox Live, GeForce Now, PlayStation Now, and Stadia, of course, because who doesn't love Stadia at this point? If you didn't get your Stadia Premier Edition and you didn't order Cyberpunk 2077, well, they're probably going to give another one away. So I would wait just to see if they give one away. This is not a review of the Stadia controller. This was an unboxing, so have fun. But yeah, this video is getting way too long, so goodbye.